So the real disruption here, I think that AI is bringing, and yeah, is that before AI, we were spending a lot of time writing the code, and I've written there at 20% in thinking design, but in some cases I think it was much lower. But we are shifting it to more thinking and designing in the terms of writing things in a markdown, perhaps, and less of writing code. So that means that for technical people, developers are becoming more like architects, in the sense that they are designing the code and then something else is building the code in small pieces, ideally. So they are mapping the business to high-level system design, but also to low-level system design, and is more staring at the screen and less typing like a psycho, which means that, yeah, still there are some, for some people, this will be a very hard transition, I think. For product managers, they need to enter a bit more. They don't need to write UML, let's say, but they what we need to make work much better is that there are more collaboration in between the person who is writing the user journey and the person who is mapping it to technical component, and they get together and they get assisted by an AI to visualize, to measure what they want to build. And then once they have a common view, aligned business and technical, then they can start, the technical person can start implementing this in code. For prototyping, that's also very powerful because, yeah, basically what a product person can do now is they can write a prototype, show it to customers, and then get feedback much faster than before, where sometimes you needed some code to make a feature work. It wasn't as simple as a clickable demo. So yeah, this is where I think that the industry is going. And then you can thrive by staying in control, and then you will not become an AI hater. And it's about mastering the fundamentals. So this is the kind of combining the three parts that we have been covering so far. So first, understanding in which parts of the development lifecycle from the early beginning you need to master tools like writing user journeys or defining metrics in a way that can be understood by people and AI agents. So those are like where you can control. Then you start experimenting, you learn about what they are capable of, and then you choose what to do with them. So that would be your strategy that you can evolve over time, and then you can find your sweet spot. And then if you decide to go into, let's give it a try, to co-piloting and passing specifications and see if this works, then define that with the structure. You can use plain text, markdown, UML, user journeys, actor-based modeling, and you can get AI to help you build the visuals while you are in the driver's seat. So yeah, the control is the combination of where you are applying it, how much, and whether you define it with a structure. So the takeaway from this third part is that we are transitioning from coding to